everyone. I hope you're all doing well out there. I'm here today to tell you about a brand new class that I'm getting started with. Not only is it a new class, but it's a new type of class as well. It's a setup and a format that I haven't tried before, but I think it could be an awful lot of fun, both for me as the teacher and for you on the other end, because you get to have a lot of control over the class and where it comes. So this is going to be, the overarching name will be, it'll be the Knitting Masterclass, and it is going to have a set place where I'll start, and I'll put up videos every week and I'll have patterns every month. But the difference is that I want you all to comment and to interact with me, and the videos for the following weeks will make sure they address all of the issues or the kind of topics that you want to see covered. So it's going to be a very interactive class. I also wanted to do it where it was preset videos, because that way I feel like I can put a much better content up rather than doing something ad hoc in a live basis. And it also means that you can download them. So if your internet's not very good, you're able to download everything. And any worksheets and things like that will all be available as PDFs and downloadable. So it means that it's accessible to people who don't have superb internet access as well, which I think is really important. So that's kind of the general idea of how it's all going to run together. And now to give you an idea of the topics, I'm going to start with one of my favorite things, which is garment design, but specifically garment fit. And if you perhaps have been disappointed with garments that you've done before, or you don't really know how to make little changes, this might really be of help to you. So I'm going to get started first of all, where we'll go through in the class with how to measure yourself, then also how to measure gauge, and not just stockinette stitch gauge or a simple gauge, but look at if you've got cable patterns, if you've got pattern stitches, some of the tips and techniques that I use myself to try and to kind of modify those. So once you've got those two, then you need to know how to put the two together, so that for the gauge you've got and your body size, how you determine what size you are. And we'll learn to read patterns and schematics and figure out what kind of changes you're going to need. So that's where the interaction comes up. You can upload photographs of things that you're working on and you need some help with, or perhaps a schematic that you're working on you can't quite determine. So there should be, lots of scope for interaction. I get a lot of questions in relation to finishing. So if there's specific finishing or techniques that you want covered, put them in the comments, let me know. And that way we can make sure that everybody can have as many things covered as possible. And it means that you're getting the best possible presentation, because I can put it in a nice format where it's easy to see, and I can make sure that it's clear and concise what's going out to you. So I'd love to see you come join me. I think that this is a very exciting new venture.